Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani here. Let's get started with the morning brief. Well, yesterday yesterday Nifty shut shop at gains of 0.98%, and Nifty Bank shut shop with gains of about 1%. This morning, SGX Nifty is pointing to 100 points gap up start. So we are seeing a positive tinge on SGX Nifty, and this should translate into gains for the Indian markets opening also. Well, as far as the charts indicate, as we see that 16,700, 800 range would be the stiff point here, and post that 17,000, 17,500 are the two levels on the higher side. 16,200 and 16,000 are the two major levels, being the supports for Nifty. Moving on the open interest front, we saw a dip, and much of this dip was recent dip was due to long unwinding. So that's nothing to be afraid of. Clearly, I mean, this is suggestive of a positive tinge on Nifty. We are seeing mostly longs in the system as of now, as what's being indicated by the futures OI chart. Open interest front, we are seeing 17,000 as the litmus test for Nifty. The major resistance or the hurdle, immediate hurdle. Of course, we do have intermittent hurdles at 16,800, and on the support end, we are seeing 16,500 and 16,000 are the two major levels where the put OI is reasonably good. As far as the option pain scenario is concerned, we are seeing the option pain level at close to 16,600. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also would move in the positive binge this morning. So 38,000, 38,500, two levels on the higher side. Of course, the immediate resistance would be 37,000. And then, of course, 38,000 is what is looking like a consolidation level. So that's a psychological level also. As far as the supports are concerned, I think the major level would be 36,500, 36,000. And then moving on, slightly spread out would be close to 34,000 levels, 34,200. Bank Nifty, looking at the OI picture, futures OI picture, we saw a dip. That dip was basically due to long unwinding. And now again, we are seeing longs coming in. So looks like we are on a positive binge as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. Looking at the OI picture, again, close to 37,000 is the OI OI built up. So that's a major level which we are looking at from the call OI picture. And from the put OI angle, 36,500 happens to be a strong level. Other than that, 36,000 happens to be a good put OI level. Moving on, 36,600 happens to be the pain level for Bank Nifty as of now. Let's look at the top gainers and losers. Laurus Labs, Coromandel, Lal Path Labs are the gainers. McDowell, M&M Finance, and Tata Powers were the losers. Looking at the index contribution, private banks contributed 26 points, IT contributed 43 points in the positive territory, FMCG 20 points, Pharma 14.6 points. The negative binge came in from telecom and oil. Telecom minus 4.3 and oil minus 1 point. So clearly, I mean, built-ups, let's see the built-up scenario now. Power is the one which is on the short side, power sector. And infra, metals, PSU banks, and realty is on the positive end, long built up out there. Considering this is the result calendar, and of course, you have the expiry day also. These are the kind of results from the companies which are expected: M&M Finance, Intellect, SRT Transport, Nestle, Lal Path Labs, Bajaj Finserv, SBI Life, SBI Cards. Then you have Bajaj Finserv, Shree Cement, Dr. Reddy's, Jubilant Food, Vedanta, NAM India, TVS Motors. So these are the kind of results expected today. So there's a large string of results, of course, with the expiry. So let's wait and watch how it pans out. We have one stock which is looking good on the buy side, 205, 2102 levels on the higher side, which is Coal India. So 205 to 210 are the two major levels on the higher side. On the breach of 210, you can expect about 225 kind of levels, but we will have to wait and watch how it behaves close to the 210 mark. Of course, it's coming out of a triangle kind of a scenario. On the support end, we clearly see 185 as the major support zone for this, as per the charts. Futures OI picture of Coal India. You are seeing a set of longs coming in. So clearly, I mean, that's suggestive that there is some amount of long built up. And on the OI front, of course, there is sparse participation. So, but 200 happens to be 200 call happens to be witnessing some unwinding. So this could push up prices higher. So one would have to see the behavior close to 205, 210 levels, which are the next major hurdles for Coal India as such. The other stock which looks kind of on the positive end is Exide. 160, 165 are the two major levels on the higher side. 150 and 140 are the major levels on the lower side. So Exide, we are seeing kind of a mixed bag situation, but then let's look at the OI picture from the options front. Clearly, I mean, we are seeing a substantial OI unwinding and also a built up a strong built up at 160 levels. So 160 is going to be the stiff point. Over and above 160, you could see a strong momentum on this counter. That's a possibility there. We do give out perspectives on stocks, and but we would suggest that you do consult your financial advisor before moving ahead with participation in any of them. And also, clearly, I mean, follow strict stop losses for your trades, because discipline is extremely important while trading in the markets. The stocks which are in the ban list are Delta Corp and India Bull Housing Finance. This is the summary. I would quickly go over it. 16,500, 16,200, two major levels on the lower side for Nifty. 16,800, 17,000, 17,500 are the resistance points. Bank Nifty 36,500, 36,000, two major levels considering the OI picture. 37,000, 37,500 are two resistance points on the higher side. Sectoral long built up is seen in infra, realty, metal, PSU banks. Short built up seen in power. Coal India, Exide India is two. Exide Industries is the two stocks which we have a positive mood on. Ban list, Delta Corp and India Bull Housing Finance. So these are the two stocks in the ban list. And again, we recommend that you consult your financial advisor before participating, and also follow strict stop losses. So with this, we come to the end. Wish you happy trading and all the best for the day.